Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. So dear friends, traders and investors, today I am going to teach you technical analysis using head and shoulder bottom pattern. Today's my main agenda is to describe you detailing about head and shoulder chart. Before we start, I want to tell you that please like, comment and share my video and subscribe my channel Kinari_Prajapati. So, I have already explained the head and shoulder top reversal chart and now I am going to talk you about head and shoulder bottom pattern. You can see on the screen I had already made the head and shoulder bottom chart. So here I have drawn the parallel channel with yellow line. You can see on the screen. This pattern contains three successive peaks, that is left shoulder, head and right shoulder. The middle peak, that is head, being the lowest, and two outside peaks, that is left and right shoulder, being high and roughly equal. You can see it is previous downtrend and here after the downtrend one lowest peak has formed. So we can say that left shoulder has formed. Always keep in mind that it is important to establish the existence of prior trend. At the lowest peak of left shoulder has formed and then it goes high. You can see that on the screen. From the high of the left shoulder you can see that again it goes low. This lowest peak is known as head. This peak is lower than the left shoulder. Then again you can see that it goes up and from the top of the head again it goes down and form right shoulder. You can see on the screen this is known as right shoulder. The peak of the right shoulder is almost equal to left shoulder and lower than the head. The incline from the peak of the right shoulder should break the neckline. So, what is neckline? You can see this blue line, this is called neckline. This line can be drawn across the top of the left, head and right shoulder. A breaking of this line on the incline from the right shoulder is the final conformation and completes the formation. Here you can see point A, B, C, D and E touches the neckline. Now let's talk about the volume as it plays an important role in conformation. Volume during the second half of the pattern are more important than the first half. The decline of the volume of the left shoulder is usually heavy than the head. Neckline break. You can see on the screen that this has the break line, the neckline. This is called neckline break. The head and shoulder pattern is said to be complete only when neckline support is broken. Now, after breaking the neckline support, let's talk about the price target. How to calculate the price target? The price target is calculated by measuring the distance from the neckline to the bottom of the head. Then this distance is added to the neckline to reach the price target. Here you can see I have mentioned with orange line this is price target. So here I gave you all the information about head and shoulder bottom chart. Hope you all have understood and try to use this technical analysis theory. For any query, visit my website kineriprajapati.com, and there you can click on contact us and you have to put your name, email address and all your queries. I will answer your queries within 2 days. Thank you. I will be back with my new ideas and theory shortly.